Manufacturers know how to do one thing really, really well, and that's build kick-ass vehicles like this Ford Raptor. What's going on, All Terrain Nation? Today on the show, we are going to take a look at floor mats. That's right. I've never wanted to do any kind of videos like this because, well, floor mats to me just always seemed like floor mats. Well, that's all changed to a company called 3W Liners. That's right. We're going to showcase some products that you can barely see over there, and I will show you why these make a difference in your everyday life and your off-road life. So let's get to it right now. Like I said in the opening, yes, Ford, Jeep, they all know how to build extremely capable off-road vehicles, but they sometimes lack in this department right here. And these are all laid out. They're all getting warm in the sun. They're getting cozy in this Tennessee sun. These are 3W liner mats. And take a look at this rear one, man. We're going to get into this just a little bit, but that is pretty freaking amazing. And you're probably saying, Dave, it's a floor mat. What is the big deal? Well, the big deal is I always tell you when we do our build and price videos of these things that, hey, get the factory liners. And let me show you the factory liners and why I think these are much better. So let's just open this thing up. And this is literally, it's dirty in here and it's freshy, just how I parked this thing. And you can see these are the factory liners. Now you can see, yes, it says Raptor, and there's all kinds of dirt and sand and stuff in there, and there's just dirt everywhere. But the one problem I have with the factory liners, and I do tell you from the factory to buy these, is, well, this right here. They're thin and they lose their mold kind of shape to what they're supposed to be traded in there like that. Overall, are they decent? Yeah, they're decent. But when I think of a $93,000 vehicle such as my Ford Raptor, I don't think of just decent. I want the best of the best in there, and that's where I think 3W Liners is going to, well, let me just show you. Let's put one in. And before I get these all dirty and put them in my dirty off-road vehicle, I want to show you one thing here. This is kind of a nice feature. Yes, it's carpet, and I know a lot of people go, why do you want off-road carpet in your Bronco? Well, it's classy, but yeah, guess what? These pop out, and it can be very, very sassy. I do love that logo there and the mud. Look at the little mud tires going through there. But this is kind of a nice thing. It's like, you know, a lot of us who have off-road vehicles, yes, we off-road them on the weekends, but we do drive them daily on the you know, we all have businesses. We got to go to our businesses, may have some nice shoes on. I don't want my nice shoes all muddy. Well, they thought of that with the carpet. And that is one nice thing about the carpet, and it extends to the back as well. You can see them over there, which is very nice. That maybe your school kids, whoever, you know, you're riding in the Bronco, you don't want them all dirty, but these things will pop out, so that's very nice. But I'm gonna leave them in there for the time being because they are a tray fit. They're nice and warm, so they're molded. They're ready to be popped in here. So let's just walk right over here. Get rid of one of these factory ones. Yes, these serve a purpose, and it's a nice purpose. You know, they do tend to work okay, but like I said, something with a $93,000 vehicle, okay is not what I want. Look under there. I do actually use this thing, so it gets all dirty and muddy. But let me put the new tray in and just show you the difference. Now, I have to say, if you go over to their website, it is 3wliners.com. They do have some discounts they do offer. And already this thing is classing this vehicle way up, way as it kind of should be. And they just pop in there, you can hear it clicked. And suddenly, look how clean and fresh this thing looks. Look at that carpet in there. And once again, I like the fact that this will come out. If I want to pop this out, I'm on the weekends, once again, I'm out having fun on the weekends. Obviously, I don't want the nice carpet in there, but when we're driving around town, this might actually be very, very nice to keep my kicks looking fresh. The best part about this modification for your vehicle is it literally takes like a minute or two to do. Just once again, you just pop out the oldies, and look at that. They're just kind of worn and dirty. And oh, look, bonus. Huh, I wonder if we won anything. Well, who knows? And you just pop that old one out. And yes, I would recommend like the Michigan sand and everything. You probably want to vacuum this out, but you know, this is an off-road vehicle and I just use it for that. So pop the new one in, line up the little button there, and pops in. And look at that, instantly so much cleaner, so much fresher. And it is for the price too. It's pretty easy to afford this and makes your vehicle look brand new. This is the biggest plus to me too, is the fact that the factory liners are two-piece, and when you have the doors off, these things just kind of flop around like crazy. So this will be kind of a nice deal to get rid of. And I mean, look, they just don't do anything as far as like, they just flop around. It's super thin. I just pulled this one out, and man, oh man, my kiddo's been dirty in this thing. Just dirt everywhere. Of course, off-road and all that. You can see. Of course, you still have access to all your drain plugs, your french fries that may have been left over in there. And yeah, I don't know what this is about. We got dinosaurs in there. I don't know. Of course, we got in the back of this just the same as the front. They actually have nice carpet in there. Let me push the front seats up just to make this a little bit easier. We'll pop these bad boys in here. One piece construction, which I like for the rears. I like this quite a bit. Let me go around the other side. I'm walking around each side of the vehicle to do this, but you could, with a person helping you, you're done in seconds. Like I said, fits perfect. The molding of this is just outstanding. I have to say, this just fits like a glove, as it should. Look at that. Look at that. Now we got freshy carpets. And you look at this, freshy carpets. They look nice, new and clean, made the Bronco look outstanding. They fit perfectly. One thing about it, you got your carpet here. You're all for nice running. And we've got our, you know, when we want to kind of party in the front, it's like a mullet, man. This is like a, you know, business in the front, party in the rear, because we've got the nice mats here underneath. And once again, these all pop off here, which is very, very nice. So if you want to take that off, you could. I'm gonna leave it as is right now. I want to run it with some carpet, just see if there is any kind of a difference between running with a little bit of carpet, maybe a little quieter in the truck. I don't know, but they do fit outstandingly perfect. Look at that, 3wliners.com. I'm gonna check those things out. Look at this, just fits great and makes a big difference in the look of the Bronco. Here we have the old tired factory liners. You can see them right there. They were good for, they served their purpose, but they're just so flimsy, just thin and flimsy, where these over here, just a lot more. The rubber is just thicker, it's definitely thicker and a lot more secure. And when I think we'll run the doors off, which I want to do soon, I think that's where I'm really going to notice, because the back, once again, the back liners always were flopping up and down. The factory liners, they just never stayed in place very well. And I think the thicker, a little bit heavier liner is going to do the trick. Now, one last thing I want to show you, and I can't put it in mine right now because I've got to take all the stuff out, all the softball gear out of the rear, but let me show you this. This is the rear tray of the liner, and look at this thing, man. I love the fact that, look at this, it's got a Ford Bronco in there, a Ford freaking Bronco. Are you kidding me? Of course, it's got their little slogan, mud, rocks, river, forest, mountains, and all terrains. And of course, we are all terrain nation, so that is kind of neat. And those are pretty rad. Looks like if you want to, the hookups, you might have to trim that out, which it looks like a razor blade would trim that out nicely. And then you've got the rear protection as well. And look, these things are thick. That's heavy construction. I like it quite a bit, especially, like I said earlier, compared to the factory liners, which serve the purpose, but they're just light and flimsy. So where are you at with floor liners? I give these things an A+. We're gonna run them for a while, see do they hold up to, you've seen we have dirt, mud, everything in this vehicle. Do they hold up? And do we actually like the carpeting? So stick back, we'll do some reviews on that later down the road. And listen to our live streams on Sunday nights, 7 p.m. Central. And I like to talk about products we're running in the Ford Bronco, and well, these 3W liners are definitely gonna get some talk there. So leave me a comment, let me know what you think. What liners are you running? And I think these are probably the best that I've seen. Had multiple liner companies reach out to me, and this is the first time I've ever seen any that I'm kind of like, I think I would like to try those. So whether it be 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, or these new liners in my 4-wheel drive, hope keep it clean. This is your All Terrain Nation. I'm your host, David Boyd, and we're out. Peace, everybody. Love y'all.